This is the July TOYL box, time of your life, and this is the ultimate summer body box. Let's get in here. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic today. Me, I'm a bit rough. Bit rough and ready, but yeah, today's video is this. So this is the July TOYL box. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. I don't know if you are interested, but I am doing a small giveaway. I will link a video just here. That is my July glossy box video, and I am going to be giving away the July glossy box. I receive PR every month from glossy box. And I also pay for a box every month, and I've decided when I eventually get my box that I pay for, I'm doing a giveaway for that one. So yeah, go back to that video and make sure to enter. Here is inside. We have the edit card. Welcome to your July TOYL box. This box is worth £100.90. It's your ultimate summer body box. So here is how it's presented. Always very neat and tidy. Let's change that. So there is a sneak peek. We have quite a few products in this one, which is nice to see. If you are interested in receiving this box for yourself, I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box for you. This cost £39.99 each month. So this is the most expensive box that I get every month that I pay for myself. You do get some really nice brands in here, some higher end brands. Which is very nice indeed. And I always like to say, no matter how old you are, it is good to prepare while you're younger for aging skin. And this is generally aimed at 35, 40 and above. But yeah, get it when you're younger too, why not? But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got in the July box. Right, so there's just a little note in here. I'm not going to read all of that. I'm just going to pick bits from here and there to read out there. It just says the July box. Woohoo, it is summer, and that means body products. Not just body products, but six amazing products that you can enjoy all summer. Scrubs, cooling leg gels, rich body creams, pedicure treats, renewing hand creams, and the most interesting eco-alternative to deodorant are all in this box to make your summer amazing. It also says summer is absolutely the time to give your entire body some TLC, and I hope you use this box to work on the bits that you don't usually attack, to ensure that we look our summer best in shorts, floaty dresses, t-shirts, maxi dresses, whatever you're up to this year. Have a great month. Okay, let's dig in. The first product we have in the box is this. Gorgeous packaging. So this is by the brand Aromatherapy Associates, and this is De-Stress Cooling Muscle Gel. This has an RRP of £32. It just says a cooling gel that was top of my list for this box, whether you're menopausal or not. Soothing and calming during hot days, relaxing and sleep enhancing at night. This gel heads off many of the too hot moments of summer, while also warming aching muscles. To take this gel in your handbag this summer is a treat for when you're out. I guarantee you'll be asked to share it with friends. Definitely sounds interesting. Let's have a little look. I've just opened it up and it's literally just busted out of the box. Right, so here it is. And yeah, you can smell, I haven't even opened it yet, but you can smell the lavender. I love the smell of lavender. If you are not a fan of lavender, you ain't gonna like this. But yeah, it just says apply generously and massage into overworked joints and muscles as often as necessary. Cool. So I've just popped some here just to try it on out. Feels nice. Wow, that lavender it's a very powerful smell of lavender. Like I say, that's fine with me. I love lavender. But if you don't like lavender, it's not subtle at all. It's there, you know it's there. But yeah, I quite like that. That's going to be interesting. The second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Stone Street Soap House. And this is Geranium Body Cream. This has an RRP of £26. It just says, I cannot tell you how proud I am of this brand as my friend George runs this. His family have been farming lavender in Kent for generations, but George moved it forward into beauty when he established Mitchell and Peach. Stone Street is their diffusion range, which is cruelty free, packed with shea butter and local essential oils, with a fragrance that's inspired with an evening walk, probably through your own wildflower meadow. This is a British beauty brand at its best, hard-working, with history and a real connection between the land and the product in this box. Made in Kent, England, with care and love. 250 mils in here. Oh. So yeah, this is lavender as well, but it's not as strong as that other smell. It's like a sweet smell. That's very nice. But yeah, there it is there. Oh wow, she's thick. So let's rub that in. It feels, wow, that feels so rich and moisturising. That'll be great when you get out of the shower or the bath and you slap this all over. Yeah, that's good. Third product we have is this. So this is by the brand Mudmasky, and this is Saved by the Scrub for underarms. This has an RRP of £20. It just says this is genius. Using very few ingredients, this product does several things. In short, it's an underarm scrub, but it then means that there's no need to use deodorant through the day, and it smooths your skin, helping to reduce shaving bumps, which is fantastic. Eco and effective, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, vegan. This is made in the Netherlands in small batches from recycled washed coffee grinds. Wait for the smell. Okay, so I received this last month in one of the beauty boxes that I unboxed. I can't remember which box it was, unfortunately. If you've been watching my channel regularly, you'll know my memory's bad. But yes, I do remember receiving an underarm scrub in one of the boxes. And when I received it last month, I was quite happy because I thought, okay, it's with Mudmasky. We get a lot of products, normally the same products from Mudmasky. And I was very happy that it was a different product. Yes, it is sealed. So we're going to leave that sealed. And yes, I will definitely have to get round to giving this a try. I really hope that the underarm scrub is not going to make the rounds in all of the boxes. But by the looks of it, I think it might. The fourth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand This Works, and this is a Stress Check CBD Body Scrub. This has an RRP of £12. It just says, I've wanted you to try this CBD based product for ages. CBD is an extract of hemp, and I love it for the way it helps to lower inflammation in the skin. It's non-intoxicating and it's 100% legal in the UK. So put those worries to bed. This Works uses only ingredients that work. Well, it's in the name, isn't it? And they have a complete site dedicated to their CBD range. Vegan, cruelty-free, with fully recyclable packaging, remove the buildup of dead skin cells and reveal a fresher looking skin. So okay, this is great. As we all know, This Works definitely goes round and round and round in the boxes. Normally it's the pillow spray or whatever you call it. So it's very nice to get something else different by that brand, because I do actually like some of the products that they do. It's really nice. And I love exfoliation. I have a bit of an addiction to exfoliation. So yeah, and CBD, also love that too. So yeah, cannot wait to have a go at this. Again, this is sealed. I am certainly leaving it sealed. But yeah, I'm going to pop this in the shower and yeah, force myself to give it a go, because CBD, awesome. Fifth product we have is this very pretty packaging indeed. So this is by the brand Dr. Popo, and this is Age Renewal Soothing Hand Cream. The RRP for this is £5.95. It just says hands can take a battering in the sun, so SPF the backs of your hands during the day and use this soothing hand cream at night. Dr. Popo Age Renewal Naturally Fragrance Hand Cream is enriched with papaya fruit to provide nourishment, olive oil for added moisture, and aloe vera to soothe, along with a host of sustainably sourced, proactive and 98% natural ingredients. Dr. Popo hand cream is vegan and cruelty free with added age renewal properties, made in Great Britain. Okay, so it's nice again to get something different by Dr. Popo. Although I've got so many hand creams, it's not even funny no more. I literally have so many hand creams. This is sealed. I am certainly leaving that sealed. I don't know what to make of that, because the brand, it's not exactly luxury. It's Dr. Popo, where you can get this anywhere. I don't know, but like I say, it's certainly nice to get something different by the brand. Sixth and final product we have is this. So this is by the brand Beauty Pro, and this is foot therapy. The RRP for this is £4.95. It just says a collagen packed skin softening foot mask for a foot treat. This isn't one of those masks where your feet shed skin days after the use. It's softening, hydrating, cooling, to give your feet some TLC this summer. So in the past, I mean, I love this brand, absolutely love Beauty Pro, love the mask, amazing. But I have a few of these now because they've done the rounds in some of the beauty boxes months and months and months ago. But I'm definitely happy to get another one, because maybe I'm gonna have to force myself to actually sit down and start treating my feet. They are a bit neglected, if I'm honest. So yeah, maybe I'll do a video of a foot pampering session. I don't know. But yeah, do love the brand. So just as a recap, we have a foot mask, we have a hand cream, we have a body polish, we have an underarm scrub, we have a muscle gel, and we have a body cream. So what are your thoughts on the July TOYL box? Comment below. Personally, I do really like this box. It has its pluses and it has its negatives. So its pluses are, it has brands in here that I've never heard of before and products that I've never used before, which is great. But in the same stance, the negative is it has brands in here we get all the time and products in here that we get all the time. I always see this box because I pay like £40 for it a month, basically. I like to get proper luxury products in this box, and in this box there's a few cheapy products in here as product fillers. So the foot mask is a £5. Dr. Popo is, what is that about? I can't remember what it was, but that's not expensive either. I think it was like £5 or £6. I feel really guilty for saying that. I'm not like proper bougie or anything like that. I do really enjoy my cheaper products, cheaper brands, absolutely do. But when I'm paying £40 a box, it's a different story. So the mudmasky, I mean, that's great, really great if I hadn't received it last month. The body polish, the CBD body polish, it's nice, it's a nice size. And then we have the muscle gel, which is nice. That's going to be absolutely fabulous in the summer. I'm really liking that. And the body cream, it's gorgeous. My arm feels so soft using it. So yes, I am split with this box. Some products I'm absolutely loving, other products I'm just thinking, again? That concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.